Swords, Devfolio, and Polygon are platinum sponsors. Swords is a technology solutions provider that specializes in creating full-stack applications in both the product and services market. Let's give them a round of applause.
The evaluation criteria for the problem statement will be the following. How many features have been completed and fully functional in serial order? And secondly,
First of all, I would like to acknowledge ClearStack, our title sponsor, for their support. ClearStack is an AI-based platform that has revolutionized the way we extract data from unstructured documents. We are grateful for their support and for being a part of this event. Next, I would like to recognize Quine, our diamond sponsor. Quine is a platform that empowers developers.
Teams from our college are the winners of SIH, that is Smart India Hackathon, from last 5 years. We are living in a period of rapid change driven by innovation and technology and moving towards Industrial Revolution 4.0, which is driven by automation and robotics. The main aim of this hackathon is to mold and furnish the students to be ready to face the challenges and responsibility in their future. It is depending on our abilities to absorb and use the related information and convert it into opportunities. Events like hackathons give students an opportunity to learn, collaborate, and use their potential to the fullest, to churn out better ideas that will help them to discover their capability on latest technologies.
Authority named as the Depository Service Authority, which monitors and controls the regulation of all bonds sold and bought. So we have considered them as well, and for our KYC, they are the main approvers. We have multiple screens for KYC currently, since the app is logged in, and our KYC process is very concise and precise. So that's why I would like to present you directly the screenshots of our KYC, wherein we include details in the highest normal form, and we also give a provision to digitally sign a PDF. See, as you can see at this part, you can digitally sign a PDF and upload your DMAT documents there as well. This is a very tedious feature. This was a very tedious feature, and yeah, so this is how we are trying to cope up with it. Then Then coming to the second part, how exactly the transaction is working. In stock markets and in all the equity markets, a golden rule is that the one who sells and the one who buys are not aware of each other, that who has sold and who has bought. Considering this scenario and implementing in this case, we have implemented an entire ecosystem that keeps data confidential and is atomic.
There is only one stronger than all the enemies of the world, and that is the idea whose time has come. Faculty members, council in charges, all participants, and my dear students. Good morning all. A very warm welcome to everyone and hearty congratulations to participating teams. For today's National Level Hackathon, Unscript 2023 event.
So I'm excited to see all of you. I guess almost 40 plus teams participating today. By the way, can you hear me? Yes, okay, great, awesome. Okay, so I'm Ashutosh Saitwal. I'm founder CEO of ClearStack. ClearStack is a intelligent document processing platform which helps our clients worldwide to automate their document-centric use cases by delivering document intelligence, meaning
actually maximum volume on the service. For this check match, whenever we add a single,
we can trigger the event. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the transaction issue which has been captured, and we also have the portfolio section on our website, on our application, where we can see the current buys that he holds, and on that also we have the sell options. So he can also give that to the pool of the bonds, and these are added back to the pool, and users can buy and sell these as well.
Teams that have been selected to compete in the last round of this year's Unscript. Unscript 2K23 has 3 domains, mainly web app, AIML, and blockchain, 3 of the most rapidly growing and dynamic fields in the tech industry. We have received a tremendous response from participants who have come together to demonstrate their skills, knowledge, and creativity in these areas. The selection process was a rigorous one, and I must say that the competition was intense. We had many talented teams competing, but after much consideration, we are proud to announce the final teams that will move on to the last round. The 4 teams selected from the domain of web app are as follows: Team, O of 1, Autobots, and CodeVibe. The 4 teams selected from the domain of AIML are as follows: The Prodigies, Control Alt Elite, Tech Titans, and Terminal Evolvers. And lastly, the 4 teams selected from the domain of blockchain are as follows: Velocity, Kahihi, Code Miners, and Block Knight.
Developers to build their open source portfolios on GitHub and unlock a world of opportunities. Their platform provides developers with access to a catalog of good first issues and helps them build an impressive portfolio that can lead to new collaborations, part-time work, and even a full-time job. Thank you, Quine, for your support and for being a key contributor to this event. Lastly, I would like to extend my gratitude to Swartz.
Imaginable, like what the user will send it to the machine. So then we extracted these features, used machine learning models for the same, and then we got a highest value for KNN because as it is a k nearest neighbor, and as it is k nearest neighbor, and as all the values were technically augmented because we added brightness, darkness, added noise and grains, and as to make it much similar to it, the values were nearby similar, and after ensemble modeling it, we got an accuracy of around 80.8%, taking it around 81%, and the output was very fast, like it was within a second. And so the further techniques which we wanted to apply were many. Let's just see the model. So here the user comes and it chooses the file, like suppose an example of a file, whatever the image what the user wants. And we took all the 4 categories which was provided to us, 4 labels, so that the user can classify among it. Now for the very good section and the good section, the OCR was giving text, but for a bad section, there was much noise, brightness, and other factors which are not giving us appropriate values, appropriate text. And so the user can optimize the text which we wanted to implement because of time factor, and we were also trying to implement as many techniques we can so as to get the best result for the same.
During the entire duration of the event until the final teams are announced.